Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So in this video, right, I want to give you guys a daily crypto market update. What is exactly happening with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, and of course, the cryptocurrency market, right? So before we get to that, please give this video a huge thumbs up and of course subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers, right? I'm pretty sure that everyone that's watched my videos so far, you guys are in fact crypto investors yourself, just like me. So if you want to learn, right, about how to make money with cryptocurrency, obviously I'm not financial advisor. None of my videos is financial advice. Always do your own research, okay? This is obviously not financial advice. None of my videos are, okay? So always do your own research. But let's go ahead and make some money together, right, in the future, guys, right? And of course, I'll always give you guys, the daily crypto market updates, what's happening with Bitcoin, what's happening with Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Avalanche, Polygon, all these other altcoins, right? So that being said, guys, let's get started with this video. So you guys can clearly see that Ethereum, okay, let's start with Ethereum. Ethereum hasn't really been moving too much, okay? Matter of fact, nothing today has been moving too much, but there are some specific altcoins that are in fact having a pump, right? But majority of cryptocurrencies in the market today are in fact having a slight dip. Some are in fact down 1%, and we're going to get to that. So Ethereum, as you guys can clearly see, is currently at $1,300. So Ethereum hasn't really been moving too much for the past few days and weeks, okay? And we had the Ethereum merge a couple of weeks ago, right? And yes, Ethereum did in fact have a slight pump when it happened, right? When the merge did in fact happen. And then a few hours later, it did in fact drop, guys. And I told you guys that was in fact going to happen, right? You guys can clearly see that Bitcoin, right? Let's get to Bitcoin now. Bitcoin, right, is in fact below $20,000 once again, okay? I feel like for the past, 3 months, guys, Bitcoin has literally been all over the place. And that's fine. This is completely normal, guys. It just really is, you know what I mean? In my opinion, I think it's like just normal for the past 3 months. I want to say Bitcoin, right, has been hovering between pretty much $18,000, okay, even $17,000, right? It's been ever since we had this crash, guys. You guys can clearly see that Bitcoin has been hovering between pretty much $18,000 all the way to pretty much $24,000, $23,000, right? It's been going up and down those, price levels, those price targets, right? Like the next day, we'll see Bitcoin at $21,000, and then, a few days later, we'll go back down to like $19,000, $18,000, and then we'll pump back up to 20K. It's been like that for the past like 2 to 3 months. Okay, it really has, right? So yes, guys, some people right now are saying that Bitcoin is looking really boring, okay? But in my opinion, guys, it's not looking boring at all. Even though yes, Bitcoin, okay, it's obviously really volatile. Okay, like I said, we have been seeing Bitcoin go above 20K and then below 20K, you know what I mean, for the past like few months. And that's why people are in fact saying that Bitcoin is boring and whatnot right now. And hey, if it's boring, guys, right, and we are in fact in a bear market, okay, it's time to buy, guys. I really hope, okay, I'm being dead serious, guys. I really hope you guys did in fact buy some Bitcoin and some cryptocurrencies during this time, right? Let me show you guys the Fin Greed Index real quick. We are still at extreme fear. We are at 22 right now. Yesterday we were in fact at 24, I believe. There you go, 24. Now we are at 22. Okay, so this has dipped a fair bit, right? Because most cryptocurrencies today, guys, are in fact having a slight dip, like I said. Okay, you guys can clearly see that Bitcoin is down 0.32%, Ethereum is down pretty much 1%, right? BNB down 1%, same with XRP. Cardano having a slight dip, same with Solana, right? Dogecoin having a dip, Polygon having a dip. But you guys can clearly see that most cryptocurrencies are in fact having a dip, but some, okay, altcoins are in fact pumping. For example, Quant, okay, it's up over 13%. Terraland Classic is having a slight pump right now as well, up over 3%. But you guys can clearly see that most altcoins are in fact in the red. You guys can clearly see that, right? But some are in fact pumping, having a slight pump. But it's just one of those days again, guys, where nothing is really, moving, nothing too crazy at all. But, majority of cryptocurrencies today, guys, are in fact in the reds. We are in fact having a slight dip, nothing too crazy. This is not like a crash or anything like that, you know what I mean? But yeah, guys, as I was saying, we are in fact in extreme fear mode right now, right? So obviously the market's in extreme fear mode. Everyone is extremely fearful for the cryptocurrency market, right? For Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and crypto in general. Okay, people are in fact losing faith with Bitcoin and crypto because it's dipping, right? For some reason, our human brains like to operate like that, like to think like that, right? When we see, crashes and dips, right? For some reason, we like to pretty much panic sell and, lose faith, right? Lose interest because we are in fact, going down and whatnot, right? But this is what I always tell you guys, to think long term with your investments into cryptocurrency, right? Dollar cost average. This is obviously not financial advice, guys. None of my videos is financial advice. I'm obviously not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research, right? As I always tell you guys. But I really hope, guys, I'm being dead serious, guys. Okay, just listen for a sec. I really hope that you guys bought some Bitcoin during this time. We are obviously in a bear market. What do we do in a bear market? What do we do when everyone is extremely fearful? What do we do when everyone, right, is losing faith with cryptocurrency? We want to do the complete opposite, guys. We want, okay, to be greedy. Okay, we want to buy. We want to invest. We want to accumulate, right? For long term, guys, right? You can trade and whatnot, you know what I mean? I know a fair few people that actually do trade with Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? And of course other altcoins, but mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum. There's nothing wrong with trading. I actually want to get into, day trading myself, right, in the future. But right now, guys, okay, with my investments, right, with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, I'm investing, and I am in fact doing this for my future self, right? I'm 23 years old. I literally just turned 23 a couple months ago. So I'm doing this for my future self, guys. I'm still young, okay? And I want to do this for my future self. And I know for a fact, if I keep dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and of course, cryptocurrency in general, right? I know for a fact, maybe 2028, right? 2029, 2030, right? 2030, I'm going to become a millionaire, right? Just with my investments into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Okay, I know that for a fact, and I've been telling you guys this many times. Okay, this is just my own personal opinion, right? But I'm being dead serious, guys. I hope you guys are in fact buying some Bitcoin right now. Okay, this is a great opportunity to buy some Bitcoin below $20,000. Okay, like imagine you bought, some Bitcoins at this price target of $19,000 right now, and then you hold those Bitcoins, right, with those investments in the next decade, 10 years, and that will change into, over $1 million. Because I keep telling you guys this, right? I really do believe, at least 10 years from now, I do see Bitcoin at least over $1 million per Bitcoin. I'm being dead serious, guys, right? I'm being dead serious. I see that happening for Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin has a limited supply, right? There's just not enough Bitcoins for everyone to own and to have, right? So obviously, the demand will in fact rise, right? The price will in fact rise, guys, right? There's just not enough Bitcoins to go around. Not everyone in the world can own a Bitcoin. This is why, guys, I do see Bitcoin reaching, right, millions, not just 1 million, but millions of dollars, right, in the next, few years, right? Probably in the next few decades, I should say. You know what I mean? I really do see that happening for Bitcoin. So I really do hope, guys, you are in fact, buying some Bitcoins. You guys have to understand, okay, like I said many times, we are in fact in a bear market, right? And in a bear market, we want to buy, guys. That's the time to buy. You guys have to understand, millionaires, okay, listen up, guys. Millionaires are made during bear markets because we are in fact buying while everyone else is panic selling and whatnot. We're doing the opposite, guys. We are in fact buying. We're buying the dips. Every time we see an opportunity, right? Bitcoin dips, we're buying. Okay. We're dollar cost averaging, guys. Okay. And that's also another thing about dollar cost averaging, right? DCA, is that whether the markets, right, for example, Bitcoin, whether Bitcoin is pumping or dumping, we are still buying. Okay. No matter what it's doing, we are still buying, guys, right? Every week or every 2 weeks, depends how you feel, right? When you want to really like invest in to Bitcoin, right? No matter what, you're always consistently investing into Bitcoin, no matter what Bitcoin is doing. If it's dumping or pumping, you're still, investing that same amount every week or every 2 weeks, right? It's really up to you, right? Whenever you want to invest into Bitcoin, but you got to do it consistently. Like you got to choose a time frame. You know what I mean? It's either weekly, every 2 weeks, every fortnight, or monthly, right? You really just, it's really up to you, right? Everyone is different. But yeah, I really do hope, guys, you're in fact buying some Bitcoin in crypto right now, because obviously we are in fact in, you know, a bear market, and we are in fact in extreme fear mode right now, extreme fear. So I hope you guys are in fact buying, guys, because everything has dropped significantly ever since, you know, last November, right? I'm pretty sure we all know that, right? If I go to 1 year, right, you guys can clearly see that we were in fact at pretty much almost $70,000, right? And then we went all the way back down here now to pretty much $19,000. So this right here, guys, what you're seeing right here is in fact a 70% drop from its previous all-time highs, which, right, so that's a significant drop right there. So obviously I think it's a great time to buy some Bitcoin, to buy some Ethereum, and of course other altcoins, guys, right? There's, you know, I have in fact invested into many other altcoins, right? I don't just invest into, you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm not a Bitcoin and Ethereum maximist. I move my money around in the crypto market. You know, I have in fact invested into like 40 plus, almost 50, guys, almost 50 different altcoins in the crypto market, right? But my main focus, okay, to make life-changing money in the crypto market is of course with Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay? So that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, but I'm genuinely being dead serious, guys. I hope you guys are in fact taking this biggest opportunity right now in front of you on buying Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin, like I said, has been hovering between, you know, $18,000 to like $23,000 to $24,000, and then it'll drop back down to 19 again, and then it'll go back up over 20, and then it'll drop again. You know, it's been like that for the past 2 to 3 months, like I said, which is good. What does that mean? We buy, guys. There's nothing wrong with buying Bitcoin at $21,000. If you bought something, right, it's at 19, it's okay, guys. Don't panic. Eventually, Bitcoin's gonna, you know, pump back up. Always think long-term with your investments, guys. In the next bull market, guys, you're gonna see Bitcoin well above $100,000. It's gonna get to like at least $150,000, even higher, $200,000. I'm being dead serious, guys. That's just personally where I see Bitcoin in the next bull market, and the next bull market will eventually happen in the year maybe 2024 to 2025, right? We will just have to wait, okay? But yes, right now we are in fact in a bear market, so it's time to buy, guys. This is the biggest opportunity right now in front of us to make some money with Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market, right? Just cryptocurrency in general. If you want to make some money with crypto, this is the time right now to do it, right? It's right in front of us, okay? Personally, guys, if I see Bitcoin going back down, you know, $17,000, $16,000 and whatnot, I'm going all in. You know what I mean? I've told you guys as many times, you know, if it goes back down to those lower price targets of 16, 15, 12, even potentially lower than that, right? $10,000, I'm going all in on Bitcoin. I am, guys. I'm buying as much as I possibly can. Same with Ethereum, and of course, the whole crypto market in general, okay? So that being said, guys, that's not financial advice. Always do your own research. That's just personally what I'm going to be doing. And on that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet already. I really would appreciate that, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a blessed day, guys.